I have joined software testing training program from QSpiders Hadapsar. My college name is Baramati College of Engineering, and now I got placed in the gold package. I have best experience in this institute. Means during this program, I learned Java for basic automation script, manual testing, Selenium for Selenium automation testing, and this course helped me to build strong foundation in both manual testing and automation testing. During this program, this course also helped me to build my strong foundation and improve my communication skills. Means here we tell you to presentation on whatever topic we have learned. Our trainer also take in every week mock test to improve our communication skills, confidence. So this entire course helped me to get my first job in IT sectors. So thank you so much to all.